Hello everyone, welcome back to Part3 and Rise. My name is Lina. In this video, we will keep going to study the vocabulary words from the lesson 29. Let's talk about Jesus teaching part 2. And I have 5 words to share all of you today. Alright, if are you ready, let's get started. Our first word today is farm. Farm. Farm, we can spell F-A-R-M. Farm. There is an example. She spent the summer working at a farm. She spent the summer working at a farm. Next word is seeds. Seeds. Seeds, we can spell S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. Look at example. It takes about 3 days for the seeds to sprout. It takes about 3 days for the seeds to sprout. The third word is crops. Crops. Crops, we could spell C-R-O-P-S. Crops. For example, the main crops grown for export are coffee and rice. Crops. The fourth word is pound. Pound. Pound, we can spell P-O-N-D. Pound. For example, there was a pound behind Nari's home. There was a pound behind Nari's home. And the last word is sand. Sand. Sand, we can spell S-A-N-D. Sand. For example, my sister likes to play in the sand at the beach. Alright, now please repeat all the words with me one more time. Farm. Farm. Seeds. Seeds. Crops. Crops. Pound. Pound. And sand. Sand. Excellent everyone, I hope you like this video. So don't forget to practice your speaking with your partner. If you would like to leave your sentence in comments, we will have tag later. Or if you want to learn more with Miss Jenny Taylor, just click the link below. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.